Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 GMC Terrain. Let's start right away up front. On the front end you have factory fog lamps. Chrome grille definitely adds a sharp feel. You do have chrome wheels as well. Taking a look inside at the leather interior, you do have the Denali stitched in there. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. On the back you have rear backup sensors, a factory trailer hitch, and this Terrain is all-wheel drive. So on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. Taking a look inside of the hatch, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist liftgate, so simply the press of a button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Denali on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.